Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about row number function. Here in row number function we have four parameters, which is relation, order by, blanks and partition by. Row number function, it returns the unique ranking for the current context within a specified partition sorted by a specified order. If a match cannot be found, then the row number is blank. It returns the row number for the current context. Okay, and we shall see more about the parameters. Here you could see that in the relation, it is a table expression from which the output is returned. It takes default to all selected function of all columns in order by and partition by. Order by clause, it contains the columns that define how partition is sorted. Okay, whether it is ascending or descending. Blanks, currently only supported value is keep, and the parameter is reserved for future use. Partition by column is used for the columns where we need the partition. If it is omitted, it is treated as single partition. Okay, let us see in Power BI how it functions. We shall go to the example. Here we have country, brand and total sales. Okay, and now suppose that I want to view the total sales, and I want to know which brand is having the maximum sales. I would like to check the ranking by creating a measure. Okay, similar to the ranking, I would use this row number function to identify the maximum sales of one particular country. Okay, I have created this slicer of country. I'll create a new measure and I'll show you how to use row number function. Here in the new measure, I'll write the name as row number measure. Okay, equal to, I'll write row number. Here in the relation, I'll write all selected. Okay, the column name is sales country and another column name is brand. Okay, here I'll put a comma. Order by, I want to order by total sales in descending order. Okay, since I want to find the maximum sales. In the third parameter, I'll keep the blanks, so I have chosen the keep. In the fourth parameter, which is partition by, I'll partition by country column. Okay, I have written sales country. I'm closing the bracket, a parenthesis. I'm closing the row number parenthesis. This is my first parameter where I have selected the columns which are present in the table. Okay, order by total sales. I want to find the maximum sales. I have sorted in the descending order. Partition by country. Okay, I am partitioning the table by country. I'll click over here. I'll run the measure. Let us bring the measure to the table. Okay, here I'll select the table. I'll bring the measure. You could see that my row number measure is working fine. Suppose that I'll select Argentina. Here you could see that Argentina LG brand has maximum sales. Similarly, if I select Brazil, you could see that Brazil Apple brand has the maximum sales. Similarly, for every country and for the 6 brands, based on the row number measure, I could understand the top sales, maximum sales, where it is like one ranking is the top one sale, like top first sale. We could even sort by requirement, like based on total sales. If you could sort, you could even get the required output. Okay, this is all about row number function. Please practice, and we shall meet in the next video.